In this video, I will show you how to fund a Fidelity Brokerage account. So as you can see here, I have a totally brand new account and we're going to add money. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add a bank account. Right-click on that person icon from there. Scroll down a little bit until you see the option for banks and cards under that. You'll see link accounts and banks. So you're going to want to click on link account and banks and follow all the on-screen prompts. It's pretty easy. But let's say I just want to add money onto my Fidelity account. At the very bottom, you see multiple tabs: Home Investing, Transact Planning, and Discover. We're going to click on Transact. And from here, you should see multiple options at the top: Trade Transfer, Deposit Checks. We're going to click on Transfer, and it's going to ask you, where are you transferring money from? So theoretically, if you already have that bank account linked to your Fidel account, it will show up under this drop-down menu. So I selected my bank account, obviously going to blur that out for privacy reasons. And now you got to select which Fidelity account. So I'm going to click there and select the Fidelity account that I want the transfer to go into or deposit to go into. Okay, now you have to select the frequency. I'm just going to select just once this time. And then at the very bottom, you're going to enter in an amount. So I'm going to type there $25. Okay, and if everything looks good to you at the very bottom, you see the option to review. So I'm going to click on review, and it just gives you a summary. You transferring X amount from what bank account or what account and to which Fidelity account and the date. And if you are pleased with everything you see here, click on submit at the very bottom. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.